Tonight, KCAL News assignment editor Mike Rogers is at the desk with never-before-seen video from inside the courtroom with Woodward taking the stand. Mike?
Yes, Susie. So throughout this trial, our cameras were not allowed inside during the actual testimony and trial portion of this. We were only allowed in when the verdict was read, which was today. But our partners over at 48 Hours had a camera inside the entire time. And now that the verdict has been read, we are able to see exactly what went on during the testimony of Sam Woodward. This is just one day of testimony. I can tell you I went through about 2 hours worth of footage listening to all of this that was going on, listening to his defense attorney ask him things about a clinical professional that he saw, his upbringing, his relationship with his brother, his relationship in general with other people, his mental health diagnosis. And I'm just going to play for you a very small portion of this testimony, and it's just really to kind of set the stage of Sam Woodward and kind of how he acted, his very kind of calm reactions, his face was very kind of minimalist at times. He would take forever to answer questions from the defense attorney, had his hair brushed in front of his face, as you saw when he walked in. At one point, the video you just saw was his defense attorney asking him to move his hair out of his face as they asked him questions. Take a listen.
Whether you were ever the aggressor in fights with your brother.
I can't recall that I was in almost all or most instances. I really can't believe, or rather, I can't remember that there ever was an instance except for no.
Yeah, and as I listened to a lot of this video, that was actually one of his longer answers. Most of his answers were very short, very kind of to the point. His defense attorney would ask questions. At times, the prosecution would object to the way the questions were phrased or asked. They would rephrase those questions. And then once this was done, he was led out back by the bailiffs, back into a holding cell, and eventually joined his defense attorney at the table. But as you see, as he gets up, his hair back in front of his face, this is really kind of the first time really ever that we have heard him speak and heard him speak about what happened. Throughout the 6 years that this has gone on, he has been in custody the entire time. And again, cameras have never been really allowed in court. This was the only exception. Again, our partners over at 48 Hours were able to get that video there. Of course, in the coming weeks or months, have a full special on this and really bring you deep inside of this trial, which was pretty exhilarating to watch, guys.
All right, Mike, thank you so much for that new video.